Hi. In this problem, we have to prove that 53 power 53 minus 33 power 33 is divisible by 10. Obviously, we cannot expand these ones because it becomes very cumbersome. Now, when some number is divisible by 10, what does it mean? At least the final digit should be 0. Right. For example, if 90 is divisible by 10, that means the final digit is 0. Right. There can be more zeros, but at least the final one should be 0. Right. Then there is difference of two numbers. Right. Difference of two numbers. And the final digit is 0. What does that mean? For example, 32 minus 22. Right. That becomes 10. Similarly, 68 minus 48. That becomes 20. Right. When two numbers, the difference, the final, when when the difference has got some zero in the end, what does that mean? Those two numbers are definitely ending with the same digit. Right? We cannot have two numbers ending in different digits and still they differ by zero in the end. Right? Because whatever is the number, if we add 10, 100, whatever, this zero, the first digit of zero will not add any value, and the same thing will repeat. Right? For example, you take some number, whatever is the number, 1456, and you add some number which is ending with 0. For example, 360. Right. Now, if you take this 0 doesn't add anything. So, whatever number that comes, it should always end in 6. So, what does that mean? This number minus this number will end in 0. Right. So, if the difference, here in this case, the difference should be divisible by 10. That means the difference should have in the unit digits 0. What does that mean? These two numbers should have their final digits same. Right? Whatever it may be. It can be 7, it can be 6, it can be 2, it can be 0 also. Whatever it is. These two numbers should have their final digits same. If you are able to establish that thing, then that is sufficient and we are sorted. Now, these two numbers are ending in 3 only. Right? When two numbers are ending in 3, these numbers are ending in 3. 3 power 1 is 3. 3 square ends in 9. 3 cube ends in 7 because 27. And, sorry, 3 cube ends in 27. 3 power 4 is 81. Right? So it ends in 1. After that, the cycle repeats. Right? 81 times 3. Right? 3 power 5 is again 243. Then again 3971. 3971. This cycle repeats. Right? 3, whatever power it raises. Into 3 will end in 9. 2, 3 will end in 27, which is 7. Then 1. Then again 3971, 3971. Every 4 times the product. Right? 3, 3 square, 3 cube, 3 power 4. Again 3 power 5, 3 power 6, 3 power 7, 3 power 8. Again 9, 10, 11, 12. Likewise. They will always end like this. Now if you see what is this 53? So basically what we are saying, every 4x plus 1, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, then 0, 4, x is 0, then 1, 2, 3, 4, then x equals 1, which is 5, 6, 7, 8. And they will end like this. 4x plus 1 will end in 3, 4x plus 2 power 3 power, some 4x plus 2 will end in 9, 3 power 4x plus 3 will end in 7, 3 power 4x plus 4 will end in 1. Right, not just 3, any number which is ending in 3. Right, now what is 53? 53 is 4 times 13 plus 1. Right, so that means this will always end in 3. Similarly, what is 33? 4 times 8 plus 1. That means this will always end in 3. That is what we wanted, right? If last two numbers, if last two numbers, right? This number and this number, the final digits of these two numbers, if if they end in the same digit, here in here in this case, they are ending in, so the difference, because both are ending in 3, the difference will definitely end in 0. That means this difference is divisible by 10. Right, guys? Hope you understood this. Thank you.